What could be worse, getting an expensive phone without even a charger, or getting a brand new smartphone with pre-installed applications which we can't remove? Even after facing a worldwide pandemic, we are sure this question keeps you up at night. There are some technology trends that we don't need, and there are still some reasons to criticize the numerous tech giants for not doing enough for their users. So with this being said, let's look at some of the biggest yet the most unusual tech trends introduced by smartphone manufacturers that we never asked for and still could totally do without them. Apple gets sued by not including a charger with iPhone 12 in Brazil. Apple announced that it would stop including chargers and smartphones in iPhone boxes. This was disappointing, but Apple lovers eventually made peace with it. Users didn't take any action against it because we couldn't. The company said by not making these accessories, it would be able to reduce carbon emissions. Well, I don't know about you, but I call bullshit on this one. Now the news is, the Brazilian consumer watchdog from Sao Paulo, Procon, has fined Apple $2 million for not including a charger in the newly launched iPhone 12 series, accusing the tech giants for allegedly engaging in misleading advertising and selling a device without the charger and on unfair terms. Awesome work, Brazil, for standing up to the almighty Apple. Brazil! But is this even gonna work? We know $2 million is a lot of money, but what is it for a company that churns out billions each year? Suppose if they saved more than $2 million by not including the charger, and obviously they have saved more than that, then next time they will do it again. And no, they can still save a couple of million even after a fine. While the iPhone 12 mini costs $729 in the US, in Brazil the same phone is around $1,200. The fine is comparatively tiny and won't dent Apple's finances. However, Apple might not have much choice but to offer a concession if it wants to keep selling iPhones in Brazil. Brazil! Bloatware apps we don't need. Android phones have many pre-installed applications which we can't remove. Phone sellers claim that these pre-installed apps showcase the functionality and performance of the phone. But most of us just call it bloatware. Most pre-installed apps can't be uninstalled and by default run constantly in the background, which eats up battery, makes your phone run slower and takes up storage space. But the other side of the coin is that these pre-installed apps are usually part of monetization of the hardware. They cannot be removed because doing so would cost both parties potential revenue. It's all a money-making scheme. But are there non-bloated alternative phones? Do tell us in the comments if you know. Removable batteries go dodo. Similarly, have you ever wondered about removable batteries which were very popular throughout the 90s and early 2000s? Why have removable batteries design fallen out of favor? Why have mobile manufacturers stopped making smartphones with removable batteries? I mean, a device that requires frequent restarts, this is definitely a bad move. I'm not sure about you, but my phone has frozen on me a lot of times, including an unresponsive power button, and I wished I could just remove my battery and restart my phone. Sadly, with every smartphone company following Apple's suit with non-removable batteries, smartphones with a detachable battery have totally become extinct. As you probably know, the smartphones manufacturers make a lot more profit when you hand over the cash over an entirely new phone. Talk about taking away control from the users, it's virtually impossible to buy a new phone that comes with a removable battery. RIP 3.5mm jack. You thought non-removable batteries were a bad idea, then you still haven't seen the worst. With the launch of iPhone 7, Apple famously removed the 3.5mm jack audio in favor of wireless and USB connectors. I mean, why? It is a fact that your good old 3.5 aux is superior to any wireless audio. Then why do we want to take a needless step back in technology? To make matters worse, all the major smartphone companies soon followed Apple's footsteps, with the 3.5 jack being absent from the most high-end smartphone models. You may not know much about Le Eco as a company or a brand, but this Chinese conglomerate makes everything from smartphones to TVs. President of Research and Development at LeEco said in an interview, "We chose to discontinue the 3.5 mm audio jack in our second generation phones to create a better quality audio experience for everyone to enjoy." Do you think this could make the only reason, or there is something else? Should wires become extinct in the future? So what other important features and accessories do you think were needlessly removed from phones? Do share your thoughts in the comments. And if you like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel for more such videos.